All right, here we go. We're going to look through page 108, number 22. And we're going to see how many we get through. Probably won't do them all, but we'll probably do a good chunk of them so we can actually get some review here. So I'm going to trade that marker out because I don't like it. There we go. So 22 starts on quarterback, take the ball from the line of scrimmage. I'm just going to make my line of scrimmage here. Probably just bled through 4 pages, runs backward 10 yards. Runs sideways, okay, 15. And then throws 50 yards straight down the field. I should have moved that down a little bit. So this whole thing's 50, that's 10, and that's 40. Wow. See if we can zoom that in a little. There we go. So now we want to find this line here. Well, now we have a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So you should have 40, and in this case, 15. C squared is 40, 15. So 40 squared plus 15 squared. So C is equal to 42.72. And again, I'm carrying through more decimals than I need to because, actually that's yards, just because to keep it simple. Now, am I done? That's 42 yards. The problem is everyone just kind of left it like that. I'm going to use x as 15, inverse tangent, delta y over delta x. So y is 40, x is 15. And it's 1 degree. Wow, my picture's way wrong. And 1 degree is way wrong too. 69 degrees sounds much better. Whew! I was worried there. I was like, 1 degree, that doesn't match up. What did I check? Radians. Now it's in radians, or in degrees. So, 69 degrees. Well, that's lovely. So the resultant is a 42 yards at a 69 degrees downfield. That label's rough. Okay, so there's 22. 24, submarine dives at a 10-degree angle for 110 meters. Hopefully this one's easy. X1, Y1. You want to find X. 110 cosine of 10 degrees. 110 sine of 10 degrees. Everyone pretty much got that on the quiz, so 24, 26. What is 26? I want to say that's the same idea as, oh yeah, the path. So shoot me an email if you want to go through 26. I'm not going to waste our time because it is literally finding x and y just like we did here and adding a model up and then doing Pythagorean theorem like you did here. So it takes your time, do them on your own. If we need to, we'll do one in class. Go from there. So 26, 32. I have a feeling 32 is a French problem. Oh yeah, the person's getting thrown over the edge. So 32. We have a height of 52 meters. We have a VI of 18 meters per second. So problem is we don't know our delta x, but we don't know our time either. So if you want to, you can jump right through it and go, okay, delta x. Delta x equals VI times delta t. VIX, yes? Or in this case, if you want to get really specific, your equation, I guess it really doesn't ask for delta x, does it? Oh, cool. We'll skip that. So in this case, delta y equals 1/2 AY delta t squared. In this case, you know 52 equals 1/2 negative 9.81 and delta t squared. Now the problem is you'll understand there's negative 9.81. 52 really should be negative 9.81. You do the math, you should get about 33.3 seconds. Yes? So now, the stone when it hits the water. So you've got the VI, so that's your VIX. Because remember, we're looking for what it hits the water with. You've got a VX of 18. So you need to find the VY, which is your acceleration in the y direction times delta t. In this case, it's 9.81 times 3.3 seconds. Do the math, should come up with 32-ish meters per second. And again, 32 is in the y direction, velocity in the y direction. So now you take 32 squared plus 18 squared equals z squared. And if you do the math, you should get about 36 meters per second. Let me know if you don't. Now, are we done? Technically, with the problem, the way it's asked, they want a velocity when it hits the water and the time it took to fall. I would say inverse tangent of delta y over delta x. Y takes a couple seconds and you've got the actual angles. So in this case, your Vy, your velocity, so inverse tangent of 32 divided by 18 at an angle equals 60.6 degrees. Again, the book's not asking for that, but what does it hurt? Nothing. So there is number 20 or 32. 34, spy boat being chased down the river. Once you do work through 34, try and get 34. I actually want to do 37, and we should ask about 37 in class, if not 36 and 37. And if you want a challenge, actually not a challenge, sorry, taking it back. 55 is a good problem to review everything. Okay? It's a good time. So, review these, let me know what questions you have, shoot me an email, and we'll go from there. All right, have a good day.